Welcome my dear students to the next module from the chapter Semiconductor Electronics. In this, we are going to deal with the second optoelectronic junction device, light emitting diode. It is also popularly known as LED. So light emitting diode is a device which converts electrical energy into light. It has got a heavily doped PN junction and it operates under forward bias. You might have seen LEDs in various colors. Now let us see its functioning. That is, how the LED convert electrical energy into light. It is a heavily doped PN junction. Under forward bias, it emits spontaneous radiation. The diode is encapsulated with a transparent cover so that the light emitted can come out. When the diode is forward biased, electrons are sent from N layer to the P layer and holes are sent from the P layer to the N layer. Thus, at the boundary, due to forward bias, the concentration of minority carriers increases. The excess minority carriers recombine with the majority carriers near the junction. On recombination, energy is released in the form of photons. Photons with energy equal to or slightly less than the band gap is usually emitted. When the forward current of the diode is small, the intensity of light emitted is small. As the forward current increases, the intensity of light increases and reaches a maximum. Further increase in forward current results in the decrease of light intensity. LEDs are thus biased in such a way that the efficiency is maximum. The reverse breakdown voltage of LED is very small, of the order of 5 volt. Proper precaution should be taken such that high reverse voltage do not appear across them. LEDs have the following advantages over conventional lamps. LEDs have low operational voltage and consume less power. It has fast action and no warm-up time is required. It has a long life and fast on-off switching capability. This is the symbol of an LED. So light is produced from the LED and it goes out as indicated by the arrows. Hope you might have understood about the working of an LED. Thank you, dears.